Hi there, welcome to this very basic tutorial of setting Python environment. After that, just go to the directory where you extract PyCharm. In my case, I have extracted in software, so I will go to there. And then open PyCharm, and now in the main directory you can see main file. Just open bin folder. Here, just right click on screen, and in options just choose open terminal. Once the terminal is open, just execute the command /pycharm.sh. This script will automatically